I'm Kyle, and I'll be showing you how to create your own organization on FinHaven Suite. First, let's talk about what it means. An organization is a workspace where you and your team are able to run your business. This is where you're able to build contracts, create data rooms, record transactions, and most importantly, manage your customers alongside your team. You can manage and be part of multiple organizations for different projects. This means that you won't need to create separate logins for different orgs. Let's get started by hitting Create New Organization on the left side menu. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a name for your organization. This will show up when you connect with both your team and your customers using your suite. Then you'll need to choose a plan that makes the most sense for you and the needs of your team. Our small plan is best suited for, you guessed it, smaller teams who are just getting started. You will still have access to the core functions, but at a limited scale. Our most popular plan is our medium plan, providing you access to all the core functionality, with additional features like data room checklists and extended contract builder functions. Teams that want to get the most out of their suite should opt for this plan. Our large plan is designed for those organizations that need everything and everyone on board. With limitless access to our features, and also the opportunity for more customization, this plan is built and very much ready for enterprise-level work. Our plans come with free 2-week trials, which can be canceled at any given point. We do require that you enter billing information to proceed. I'll skip adding billing info for the sake of this demo. Once you're done adding in all that information, you're all set and good to go. To learn more about our different tools, watch our other demos regarding data rooms, contract builders, customer management, and more. Feel free to contact us with any questions about how we can get you and your customers on FinHaven Suite.